I'm here with my nostalgia, my mini skillet and noodle cooker, and I'm testing out this new pot. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I got this pot at World Market earlier today, and I just washed it and I put some water in it, and I want to bring this water to a boil and cook some noodles. So I have some leftover eggplant stew that I was going to eat with rice for dinner, but I don't feel like cooking rice, and I do have some noodles, so I figure I'll eat it with noodles instead. So that's the plan. I just put the lid that came with this mini appliance on this pot, so hopefully the water will come up to a boil faster. I'm thinking maybe I put a little bit too much water in here. So let me dump some of this water out. Because I know when I put the noodles in, the water will rise a little bit, so let's heat this up. It's about 10 minutes later and the water has come up to a boil. These are like little soup noodles. These normally only take like 5 minutes to cook. I'm gonna add just a little bit more than that. Okay. I'm gonna cover this and set a 5-minute timer, and I'll be back. So we have a problem because this started boiling over. Like, it started foaming up and boiling over, so I just had to take this off. So I'll just cook the rest of this without the top on. It's been a few minutes. These noodles are done. I just unplugged this appliance. Let's see if it's easy to scoop these out. The handle on this pot does get hot, so I'm gonna need a pot holder. Here are my noodles with the eggplant stew. So this eggplant stew was just like super easy. I made it in the crock pot the other day. I just cut up a few eggplants. I had like the long skinny eggplants. I don't know if those are like Asian eggplants or what they actually call them, but I see them in Asian supermarkets a lot. I cut up a few of those. I had a white onion that I cut up. I added some tomato paste, some Italian seasoning, and it was just like super easy. I also added some water. And then right now, I just added a little cayenne pepper to it, a little salt, and I'm going to eat it with these noodles. Let's see how it is. That's really good. The only thing I need is a little grated cheese on top, maybe some Parmesan cheese. That'll be perfect. And so that's how easy it is to cook up some noodles with this nostalgia My Mini Skillet and Noodle Cooker. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.